Hello! Today it's a beautiful sunny day and usually I'll be playing my beach tennis, but yesterday we had a competition, a tennis competition, and I'm tired so today is a day off. But when I got back home, the market was closed, so I'm gonna take you with me to do some groceries and have breakfast. Yes, I didn't have breakfast yet. And for that, I got my tea bag on my Brompton. And we're going to the market. That's right over there.
It's strange to say, but it's better to do a day off with a small movement like I'm doing now. Look, I'm riding at 13 kilometers per hour. That's very slow for me, but it's better for the body to do a slow movement day off than stay at home and do nothing. This way you move your blood around, so all the aches and everything that's hurting, it gets better. Just don't do any stress, just light movements. Look how beautiful. There's some yoga in front of the beach. That's so good. I'm feeling better already. But I think I'm gonna ride just a little bit more because it's so beautiful. Just a couple kilometers more. Already feeling better. Check it out. It's so cool. I like this kind of recovery. It's not a static recovery. Okay, let's have breakfast. It's almost 9 o'clock and I'm starving. After a while, the body starts working better and I'm riding comfortably on 20, 21 instead of 13. So that's why moving is better. So let's get breakfast. It's a little market right in front of the beach. But I think I'm gonna eat first. I'm gonna get some groceries. Oh, check it out. Let's find something to eat.
It's so hard to choose. I love eggs for breakfast, but they have such nice things here. So I'm gonna choose something different. Okay, after searching so many options, I decide for a cheese with no lactose and no gluten and little things like that. And now got a number and waiting for it. And as soon as I eat something, because I'm starving, we're going for groceries and I'll show you how I usually do. Basically, I started while we're waiting for food. I put my tea bag on my Brompton and put it like this. I think this way is easy to carry. nice cappuccino and a cheese sandwich with no gluten. Is that cool? Let's check it out. Good. Okay, as soon as I finish this delicious cappuccino, we're going shopping. Well, this is how I usually do. I leave my handlebar up and just press down a little bit if I want to turn it. It's quite simple. So just go down a little bit and turn around. It's pretty easy. So let me show you around. It's a very nice place. Great little things to buy. Oh, today's closed. But I like this spot. This spot's so cool. Check it out. Many. So many little things to buy. I love it. But there are special bags for just shopping with your Brompton. They're so neat. Check it out. Let's get some tomatoes. I like the small tomatoes. Let's get some blueberries. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay, so after you have everything you need, I came here just for eggs, bananas, and tomatoes. But I love fruit. Got some fruit, extra fruit. So nice. Oh no, that's bye. Got some groceries. I'm not hungry anymore. So let's go back home and wash everything. Okay, back home. And hope you did like it. It was a different video. A bit windy now. After 10 o'clock here in Barra da Tijuca, the wind starts to blow from east to west. I don't know why. Every day, almost every day. I hope you did like it. I just want to show you how to do some groceries with your Brompton. It's pretty easy and it's the best thing you can do. That's one of the main reasons why Brompton is a perfect bike for cities, because you can do everything that you have to do with the Brompton and take it inside, you know. Usually there's no problem at all. I hope you did like it. Thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do. Because it's so nice. We're growing so much, so many subscribers. Oh, I'm so happy, and I really enjoy doing the videos. I really love to share the things I learned with you guys, and I love when you comment that you learned something, or that something that I told you, it's making your life better. This is so cool. I love it. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.